Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade. In today's video, we're going to learn about how to increase the middle pick box size in AutoCAD. So basically, the white thing that you see right between the crosshair, which is right over here. So basically, this I am asking about the small box that you see on the screen. That is the pick box size in AutoCAD. So today I'm going to teach you a very simple thing that how to increase the size of the pick box so that it helps you make your drafting way faster and way easier as well. So basically you need to go to options, which is op enter, and then under the part of selection there will be a option of pick box size. In the pick box size you simply have to make it similar to similar to what you have as your grip size. So basically that will be a better option to make your drafting faster and easier. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it.